Good evening, everyone. This is a short segment we're going to call How Not to Start a Road Trip. As you can see, I am in my car. I have not gotten far. I am on Rose Hill, which is in Kirkland. I am heading back to the Martinson Palace to spend the night because the people who are in charge of keeping me from going crazy don't seem to be able to get their act together and get me all the stuff I need before I do the things I need to do. So here I am, returning back, and I guess I'll make a go of it in the morning when they can get their act together. So this is me until then. Not signing off, but certainly pressing pause.